We have carburation. Carburetors have been cleaned. They've been synced. They've been installed. One step closer, guys. Next order of business is getting this oil changed. We've got the tank right now. We finished our first step of the KBS clean, and then next is a KBS rust blast, which we're going to do on the inside of the tank. You can see it's still very rusty in there. I don't know if I can see with the light. Yeah, maybe not, but it did work. It got a lot of stuff out of it. A lot of rust colored stuff out of it. Now we're going to do the rust blast, and then we're going to do the sealant, which will then allow us to provide some fuel to this. I mean, I could run a separate tank, but I've got some other stuff on the go anyway. So we might as well treat the tank. I want to get these headers off, the exhaust pipes off, so that we can get to that oil filter. And I'm sure I can change it without it. But I want to paint them, and I want to get this. There's a piece of plastic on here. I want to get that chipped off. A piece of melted plastic of some kind. And I want to do just a little cleanup on the bottom of the engine compartment. It's really but the only place that I haven't been able to get to. But overall, look, very pleased. If these carbs work, it'll be a miracle. I just want to say again, I'm an amateur. I'm learning as I go. I'm reading the shop manuals. My son and I are figuring it out as we go along. I used to work on bikes, 25, 30 years ago. But it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've torn one down and actually tried to get an old bike running. But we're one step closer. We do have oil, we do have plugs, we do have an oil filter. We're going to get all that stuff changed up. And then hopefully we can, once that tank is ready, I've ordered a petcock rebuild kit. The petcock's absolutely brutal. It's obvious signs of leaking, which you've seen in a previous video. Anyway, I'm sure these videos are really boring for bike mechanic types, but for those playing along, we're getting there.